What's up guys, welcome to Onourshelf. Today I have the TX100 dash cam. Here's the box it comes in. Let's check it out. Alright, so here's the box and let's open it up. So what is a dash cam? A dash cam is a small mounted video camera, also known as a dashboard camera or a dash cam, that records video footage of the road and surrounding vehicles. Alright, let's take everything out the box. And now we can start taking everything out the plastic. Right here we have the 12V accessory outlet plug. Here is the rear facing camera, the cleaning cloth, the dash cam itself, a dry and wet cloth, the pry tool. You get 2 static stickers, 2 extra stickers, and finally the paperwork. You get some instructions, a protected sticker, and a warranty card. Okay, so first thing we are going to do is start with the installation process. And the first step is to clean the windshield. I'm going to use Windex and a microfiber towel. Now I'm going to use their dry and wet towel to finish off the cleaning process. Next step, I'm going to apply the static sticker to the windshield. Now I'm going to remove all the plastic pieces off of the dash cam. Now I'm going to unravel the 12V accessory outlet. Now I'm going to plug in the USB-C port into the dash cam. Now, as you can see, I'm using the orange pry tool to stick the wire into the headliner of the car. And finally, I'm sticking the 12V accessory outlet into the socket. All right, now let's start up the car and start using the dash cam. Okay, so the dash cam is turned on, and from here we're going to go to system settings, and you can check your format, change the date and time, check your GPS speed accuracy adjustment, your volume settings, your rear camera flip, your night vision, your wide dynamic range, your loop recording, your rear camera flip, your night vision without light, so on and so forth. There's so many things you can check here. I'm not going to go over everything, but that's just a quick roundup. Also, you can play back your recordings, and it comes with a 64GB card included. Also, the dash cam can split the screen where you can see the front and rear at the same time. And if you want to view the rear, you need to install the rear facing camera. All right, so now it's time for the day and night test. Let's go. All right, so here is some rear facing video camera footage. This dash cam has 4K dual channel recording. It also has 160-degree front and 150-degree rear wide dynamic range. And this dash cam also has 24-hour parking mode, which is a security camera system that can be used while your vehicle is parked for suspicious activity, theft, or accidents, even when the car is off. Also, this dash cam has Starlight night vision, where it uses specialized highly sensitive sensors to capture color and video footage while the light conditions are low. You can also still see license plates at night. So the build quality of this dash cam is really good. Style wise, it looks really nice and modern. The color is black, the size is nice and small, it doesn't take up a lot of space. Here are some of the features. You have your Type-C port, your card slot, and the jack for the mail cable. You have some buttons on the bottom, your OK pause start recording button, your select down adjust camera display button, your select up turn on camera view button, your system settings playback video button, your camera and your power button, and the rotatable stand. I also wanted to point out that this dash cam has app controls and a built-in GPS that actively records speeds, routes, and locations. Plus, you can instantly view, download, and share videos and adjust settings instantly all from your phone. I also wanted to say that the camera quality is fantastic day and night, to the point where you can make out license plates on cars in front of you, and road signs and surroundings with precision day and night, so you can drive with peace of mind. So in conclusion, I hope this video was helpful. That has been a review of the Tecxerllon dash cam. I'll put some affiliate links down below in the description. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Bye.